Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Domains migration DNS with a new registrar, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing your Google Domains migration DNS with a new registrar, first, log in to your Google Domains account. Once logged in, locate the domain you wish to migrate. Click on that domain to open its settings page. Next, find the option labeled DNS on the left-hand menu. Scroll down to the section titled Name Servers. Select the option that allows you to manage your name servers. Make a note of your existing name servers for reference. Now, choose the option to use custom name servers. Input the name servers provided by your new registrar. Double-check for any typos or errors in the name server entries. After entering the new name servers, save your changes. It may take some time for these changes to propagate across the internet. While waiting, return to the main domain settings page. Look for the Authorization Code section. Click on the button to generate or retrieve your authorization code. Copy the authorization code to your clipboard. Now, log into your new registrar's account. Start the domain transfer process by locating the Domain Transfer section. Paste the authorization code into the designated field. Complete any additional steps required by the new registrar. Confirm the transfer request and monitor your email for confirmation notifications. Once the transfer is approved, it may take several days to complete. During this period, you can still access your domain settings in Google Domains. After the transfer is finalized, log back into your new registrar's account. Verify that all DNS settings are correct and functioning. Adjust any additional settings as necessary to ensure proper domain configuration. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized your Google Domains migration DNS with a new registrar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.